Which is a better career growth? Either Java full stack developer or .NET full stack developer or MERN stack developer. So many people may have confused which course I should choose and which is a better future. So in this session, I am going to tell you which is a better career growth. So watch till the end of video. Then you can understand which is a better career, either Java full stack developer or .NET full stack developer or MERN stack developer. Okay, so let me tell you who is a Java full stack developer. A Java full stack developer is a person who know front-end technologies as well as back-end technologies. So you know very well front-end technologies mean HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And back-end technologies are nothing but you should know Spring Boot and microservices and REST API, okay, and also Hibernate, okay, and you must know some database technologies as well, like Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL. So by using all these technologies, you are able to develop the projects or applications. Then who is a .NET full stack developer? So a .NET full stack developer is also who knows front end and back end technologies. Okay, and also who is a MERN stack developer? MERN stack means here MERN. M means MongoDB, E means Express.js, R means React.js, N means Node.js. If you know all these technologies, then he can become a MERN stack developer. Now the question is, which is a better career? All these roles are very huge demand in the IT industries nowadays. But my recommendation is if you become a Java full stack developer, then there are huge job opportunities are there now and in the future as well, because many of the projects are implementing using Java full stack developer. At the same time, you will get a decent package as well with this Java full stack developer. And the second option is MERN stack developer. That is nothing but Node.js developer only. Node.js developer, or we can call a React.js developer, or we can call JavaScript developer as well. These roles also very huge demand in the IT industries nowadays. And also you will get a decent package as well with these technologies. And third one is a .NET full stack developer. So all Microsoft related applications or products are developing using .NET technologies. Okay, and you will get a decent package with this .NET as well. Okay, so my recommendation is you can become a Java full stack developer. So I am telling one thing for everyone: no matter what technology you are choosing, you may become a Java full stack developer or MERN stack developer or .NET full stack developer or any technology, but you must have strong in problem solving skills. That is the mandatory first thing. Even though if you are choosing Java full stack developer or .NET developer or anyone, without having problem solving skills and analytical skills, you may not become expert in any specific technology. You have to understand the requirement properly. You have to read the documentation and understand the requirement. Then you can easily implement your project. So that's all guys, man. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also don't forget to forward your friends as well. Okay, we will meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.